Hello, in this video we're gonna perform a benchmark test on the Samsung Galaxy A56 and A36. And then we're gonna see the results. Alright, so let's begin. So basically I'm using the app called Geekbench 6 on both of the phones. So let's open the app. Also in here under your device you can see some information about both of these phones. And now let's simply run the benchmark. It's gonna take a little bit, so you need to be patient, and I'll see you when the results will appear on the screen. Alright, so as you can see now we have our results. So the A56 has a better score than the A36. So when it comes to the single core score, as you can see on the A36 it's 1016 and on the A56 it's 1364. And when it comes to multi-core score, it is around, the difference is around 1000 points into advantage for the A56. Also, I will scroll down now, and now you will be able to see the system information right in here. Also the CPU on both of the phones. So I'll just scroll down really slow just to show you how this looks like. Okay. Now again we have the multi-core performance, and in here you can also see the difference. Okay, I'll just keep scrolling down and down, and now we can perform also the GPU benchmark. So let's run the test on both of the phones, and again I'll see you when the process is finished. Okay, so now the GPU benchmark also has finished. Again, we have our difference in here, and it's, as you can see, it's pretty big. Difference around 4000 points for the advantage of the A56. So now again, I'm gonna scroll down a little bit. Again, we have the system information, which I have shown you earlier. Now in here, again, we have the OpenCL performance. You can see the differences right in here. And also when you will click on the GPU, you can see the comparison to other phones on the market. As you can see, on the first place is the Galaxy S24 Plus with the best score. But in here you can also check how both of the phones look in compared to other phones on the market. Alright, so that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.